Jolly, the one-stop shop for all essentials like snacks, beverages, grocery items, packaged food, cosmetics, stationery, fresh and organic fruits and vegetables, meat, household goods, toiletries and many more. Leave your kids at the playpen while you shop for all your household needs, all at a reasonable rate. Hurry, visit Jolly Belly Supermarket for ready discounts and offers. Step into the store and leave happy. For details, contact Jolly Belly below Mikado Restaurant, Police Bazaar at 7005-668657 and 98630-60336. At a press conference held on 2nd December, the Hill Farmers Union, under the leadership of its president, Commander Shangpliang, announced the celebration of Farmers' Day in Shillong. The president of the union informed that the celebration, which has been scheduled for the 4th of December 2021, will be held at Pinewood Hotel, Shillong, wherein items in the program will include the inaugural ceremony, a presentation by government officials of the Agriculture Department, discussions between farmers and officers of the concerned department, besides felicitation of farmers who were recently conferred the Padma Shri in the field of agriculture, Kong Trinity Sayu of the Jantia Hills and Nanadro B. Marak of the Garo Hills. The Minister for Agriculture, Bante Dorlingdo, has consented to be the chief guest on the occasion.
Meghalaya Farmers Day kabandai haka sauterik uno pra manla usnem te kani ka jingrakhe ka bamanta usnem haka sauterik uno pra kandai ka jingrakhe ka ba ar namarba menchem snem ngilas dang ni ka jingrakhe nang ni sikmat nginang pedroi bet mentali lai ngiladon kumba silak tam ginongrat habro ko ka Meghalaya bagin nang khot bagin nang wan penyaso te ngakwa bersaya bakai di ka jingrakhe baro ngini bani simbenta wala da pimpat penyaso Shaka Hills Farmer Union. Te ita ide isi benta ibangi kwa bani tu ipi ba hakane kasing ngin sarake te hasilong u kongsan undai u menteri badai kemi ya ka rep karyang ba Bante Dorlingdo nang ta kin rake apo riboy kin rake ha southwest nang ta bat hakini ki block kum mausun ram bat kene ka shela bholakan block kin sake balengi kwa banle yakini haki jeka ba per haki jingsyang ila kwa ban tulong bandon kawai ka jeka hakabang nginyo ikabanya celebrate lang la ne bani buram lang. Dan rai namar bagi dangdon kita ki protokol ki baga government kamsya te kum hasilong ru ngin pelong hang te ha convention hall te ka capacity juga kalong sauspa tingila ban bu tang arspa ngut.